went into the darkest of places like Paul in the book of Acts. Went into college campuses where they said we couldn't go. And he was the light. He was bold. He was brave. He was a hero. You know, at the War Department, we know a little bit about heroism. I've seen it personally on the battlefield from Americans wearing camouflage. And I'm surrounded by men and women today who had the chance to witness the same. Most people don't know this, but Charlie Kirk wanted to go to West Point. Never happened, obviously. His personal loss at that moment was our nation's great gain. Charlie Kirk was a citizen who had the biblical heart of a soldier of the faith, who put on every single day the full armor of God with a smile. As the scriptures tell all Christ followers to know. Charlie Kirk, a warrior for country, a warrior for Christ. He ran the race. He finished the fight. Now, it's our turn. My charge to all of you, live worthy of Charlie Kirk's sacrifice and put Christ at the center of your life as he advocated for giving his. Charlie has heard the words echoing now in heaven. Well done, good and faithful servant. Charlie will take you from here. God bless you.